We get this question almost all the time. Can I serve natural healthy baby food like Maki healthy baby food to Creche? The answer is a big yes. Some mothers even go further to ask that, can I serve Maki healthy food, make everything I need together, and when it is time to serve my baby, I'll serve in bits? The answer is another big yes. Maki healthy food can stay in your baby's warmer for up to 18 hours as long as you have a very good vacuum flask that can retain food either warm or hot. You are good to go. This is how to pack your baby's bag easily and very quickly every morning if you give your baby natural healthy baby food like Maki healthy baby food. Let's do it together.
Welcome to Chubby Baby's Kitchen, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!
One of the biggest mistakes many parents make when packing food for crèche is assuming that any breakfast will keep their baby full until it is time to come home. But after a few hungry pickups and unfinished meals, I realized that what we pack for our babies matters a lot, just as much as how we pack. So today I am showing you exactly what I'm packing for my baby, starting with this Tom Brown Plus from Maki Healthy Food. This is not just a regular cereal, it is a nutrient-rich multigrain blend made from wholesome ingredients like banana, plantain, peanut, soya beans, cashew nut, and other carefully selected grains. What I love most about this Maki Healthy Food Tom Brown is that it comes in a dry form, making it easy to prepare fresh whenever I need it. As a mom, I'm always looking for food that are filling, nourishing, and very convenient. And because this Maki Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus contains a combination of grains, legumes, nuts, and fruit, it helps to provide energy and nutrients that growing babies need throughout the day. So the first thing I am going to do is to prepare the Tom Brown Plus. And first of all, I placed 1 cup of water on fire and bring it to a boil. Then in a separate bowl, I proceeded to pour in 5 tablespoons of Maki Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus. Now the plus in the Maki Healthy Food is signifying that it contains extra nourishing ingredients for your baby's growth. So it is not your regular Tom Brown. This contains much more than the regular traditional Tom Brown, right? And so after scooping out 5 tablespoons of the Maki Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus into a bowl, add in some room temperature water and dissolve the Tom Brown powder until it forms a paste without any lump. Please, this part is very crucial so that you have a lump-free Tom Brown. You want to check on the water you have in the pot to see if it has boiled, and once it has boiled like this, proceed to transfer the well-dissolved Tom Brown Plus into the hot water and stir as you go. I love to use this method because I realize that this is the method that most mothers love to use because it is easier and straightforward. But if you don't want to go through this method, you can actually pour your powder directly into the hot water and then stir until it thickens and cooks to your desired consistency. This Tom Brown Plus doesn't take time to cook. In just 2 minutes you're done. It is more of an instant meal, so it doesn't really take time. In just 2 to 3 minutes you'll be done cooking. So while the Tom Brown is on fire, allow it to boil very well. The next thing you have to do is just to rinse the bowl you use in making the Tom Brown and pour the water into the Tom Brown. Stir it one more time and cover it and allow it to steam up very well in order to get the best Tom Brown Plus. One thing that makes this Maki Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus so special is that it helps with weight gain. Yes, very fast. Like if you're looking for something that can help to boost your baby's weight within the space of 2 weeks to 4 weeks, just go for Tom Brown. Tom Brown is the best. Just go for it. I can beat my chest to it. Tom Brown is a very fast weight gainer. Now that our Maki Healthy Food Tom Brown Plus is fully cooked, it is time to transfer it into a vacuum flask. But before doing that, always make sure the flask is clean and ready to use. This helps to keep your baby's food fresh and safe. So while the Tom Brown is still nice and hot, carefully pour it into the flask. One thing I love about using a vacuum flask is that it helps to keep the food warm for hours, so your little one can still enjoy a comforting meal later at crèche. Guys, just look at how rich and creamy our Tom Brown Plus is. This is exactly how I like it. Smooth, warm, and ready to go. Now, with the Tom Brown safely packed, let's move on to the next item going into today's crèche lunch bag. Next up, we are making a snack because babies need snacks too. A lot of parents focus only on the main meals, but snacks can also play an important role in helping babies meet their daily energy nutrient need and also help them to gain weight. So instead of waiting until they are extremely hungry, offering healthy snacks in between meal can keep them satisfied throughout the day. So for today's snacks, I am making a simple banana pancake, and I am starting with 2 ripe bananas. Then I'll also be using 1 egg for the pancake, and I'll also be using Maki Healthy Food Fruity Oatmeal. I love using Maki Healthy Food Oatmeal because it is easy to work with and adds extra nourishment to the pancake. So first thing first, you need to wash your bananas to remove dirt, sand or any bacteria that will be on it. Then proceed to peel off the skin of the bananas and transfer it into a bowl. Then go in with your food masher. You will need a masher to mash up the banana. If you don't have a masher, you can use a fork to puree the masher until it is smooth or almost smooth. Snack is very important for babies. Now, for parents that are looking for wholesome food to include in their baby's diet, or how to make their baby to eat better and get nourished, this healthy banana snack is one of the things you should try for your baby because it is quite healthy, help to boost weight and helps to keep their energy level high. Now, next up, I am going to crack an egg into the banana and I'm going to whisk everything together until it combines finely. You want to add half cup of milk into this mixture just to make it creamier and more nutrient dense, but this is highly optional. You can decide to add it or not, but I love my pancake coming out milky, so I added half cup of milk to it and I proceeded to stir and mix up everything together until it is well combined. Honestly, mama, on busy crèche mornings like this, I love preparing healthy snack like this because it is warm, filling and easy to prepare and very convenient to pack into a food flask. Now into the mixture, we are going to be adding the star of the show, which is Maki Healthy Food Fruity and Nutty Instant Oatmeal. I added 3 tablespoons into the mixture and I proceeded to whisk it until I achieved a very homogeneous texture and consistency. If you want a more thicker batter, you can proceed to add more powder, more fruity and nutty oatmeal into it. Mama, this Maki Healthy Food Fruity and Nutty Instant Oatmeal is a versatile baby food. It is so healthy. Like a lot of people that I have recommended this particular infant cereal to, the reviews that I got on it is very massive. So if you want something that can be used as a quick breakfast for your baby, go and grab a pack. It is so healthy. Now that our batter is ready, it is time to cook. So I'll place my pan on low heat and lightly grease it before spooning in the batter. Make sure you grease your pan very well. If you don't have a pancake pan like this, feel free to use your frying pan or even your pot. Just make sure it is non-stick so that everything comes out clean. Now, one thing I love about this pancake is that they always come out soft and easy for your little ones to chew and very perfect for lunch boxes and crèche snacks. Now, after scooping in the batter into the frying pan, just allow it to cook for a while, and then the next thing you have to do is to flip them over and let the other side cook until they are nicely done. Just look at that golden color, mama. This is cooking beautifully already. While these pancakes are cooking, mama, let me tell you why I love making them for my baby. First of all, they are made with simple ingredients. We have banana, which add natural sweetness. We have egg, which adds more protein. We have milk, which makes it more filling and creamy. And then we have oatmeal, which helps the pancake to be more filling and also make your baby to gain weight. Now, one thing I love about homemade snacks is that I know exactly what is going into them. No unnecessary ingredients, just simple food that babies can enjoy. Now, these pancakes are also easy to pack for crèche because they don't make a mess. Yes, they are such snacks that you can just pack and everywhere will be clean. They are easy for your baby to hold and they can be enjoyed as a snack during the day. And as you can see, just a little portion of this fruity and nutty oatmeal can go a long way to make a lot of pancakes for your baby. And just look at, guys, this side is nicely golden already. As you flip to the other side, you will notice that it is golden. So you're going to flip it over and let the other side cook through as well. Then honestly, whenever I make this pancake, I usually make extra because they are so easy to store and serve later. In the last snack video that I made, some mothers were asking me that what if they don't have a waffle maker to make waffles? What other snacks can they make? This is it. This is a very perfect snack for mothers that don't have waffle or donut maker. You just need your frying pan to make it. Once the pancakes are done, I would like to let them cool for a few minutes before packing. Then I transfer them into an airtight snack container, making sure I portion out just enough for my baby to finish during the day at crèche. If there are extras, I store them properly in the fridge so they stay fresh for later. This is a healthy snack option for babies because it is soft, filling, and made with simple ingredients like banana and oats. Next up is a simple fruit option, a banana. I always like to include fruit in my baby's crèche lunch because it is natural, filling, and give a quick energy boost during the day. I didn't peel the banana because I prefer to send it whole and fresh in a banana case. This way it stays clean, protected, and easy to handle. The teachers at the crèche will peel it when it is time to eat. Next up is milk. Your baby will also need milk to go alongside with the meal, so I like to include this in the lunch bag as well. Here in this small milk cup container, I already measured about 2 tablespoons of age-appropriate baby formula. I don't mix it ahead of time. I simply pack it like this so it stays fresh and the teachers can mix it when it is time for feeding. It will be used together with the Tom Brown we prepared, making it a complete and satisfying meal for the day at crèche. Next is water, and this is something I never forget in my baby's lunch bag. Water is very important because it keeps your baby hydrated throughout the day at crèche, especially after meals and snacks. So here I am adding clean drinking water into a very neat water bottle. You can use room temperature water or slightly chilled water depending on your preference and the weather. But the most important thing is that it is clean and safe for drinking. This goes straight into the water bottle and straight up into the lunch bag so your baby stays refreshed all day. Next up is yogurt. I wasn't sure whether to call this a snack or a drink, but either way, it is a very versatile option for a baby's crèche lunch. I am using a drinkable Greek yogurt, which I will simply transfer into this small yogurt bottle for easy use. What I love about this is that it can be taken on its own as a healthy drink or paired with Tom Brown as part of the meal. You can also go well alongside a pancake snack or even the fruit, depending on how the teachers chose to serve it. It is smooth, nutritious, and very easy for babies to enjoy during the day. And last but not least, let's not forget the baby plate. This is very important because it is what the teachers will use to serve the food. Instead of dipping directly into the flask, they can simply scoop out the portion the baby can finish, which helps to keep everything clean and well portioned. I am using a baby feeding set that comes with a silicone base, which helps it stay firmly in one place on any surface so it doesn't slip or move during feeding. It also comes with a matching spoon, which makes it very convenient and complete for crèche use. With this, everything is now ready. The final step is to pack everything neatly into the lunch bag. Now that everything is ready, it is time to pack the lunch bag. Look at our beautiful lunch bag, ChubbStars. Can you see how beautiful this is? So one by one, I am carefully arranging everything inside. But first of all, make sure your lunch bag is very neat. First, I am starting with the flask of warm Tom Brown. Make sure it sits very well and it is well arranged. Now, the next is to add our snacks, our healthy snacks here. Then, we're going to follow this by our milk. Yeah, the milk goes in next. The next step is to add our yogurt, drinkable Greek yogurt, into the lunch bag. Then next is to add can you see how the lunch bag is well arranged? Next is to add our water bottle, and then we are going to add the fruit option, and then the last but not the least is to add our baby plate and spoon. I always like to pack everything neatly so it is easy for the teachers to access and serve during the day. There is something very comforting about knowing your baby is well taken care of, even when you are not around. As mothers, we just want to be sure they are eating well, staying full, and getting the right nutrition while they are at crèche. And just like that, today's crèche lunch bag is ready. Simple, balanced, and filled with love. Before I close the lunch bag, let me make sure everything is complete. Tom Brown is here, the pancake is here, water is here, spoon is here, snack casing and yogurts are all here. Now everything is packed neatly into the lunch bag, and all that is left is to zip it up. Zip, 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 and just like that, our crèche lunch bag is ready. If you are interested in the product I used in today's video, I will leave the details in the description box. The Town Brown Plus from Maki Healthy Food is a convenient option for busy moms because it is well processed, made with carefully selected ingredients, and can be used for different baby meals, not just for crèche lunches but also for breakfast or home feeding routine. And if you enjoy this kind of realistic baby meal routine, don't forget to join our ChubbStars family. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more simple crèche meal ideas and baby food inspiration. See you in the next one.